Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to do a presentation. So the code for this topic is DCC10032 and the subject is civil engineering material. Our beloved lecturer is Puan Hidanah binti Muhammad Yunus. This is our team members, which is me, Muhammad Syahmi Shazwan bin Kirul Azwan, and my matrix number is 15DKA22F1044.
And me, Zhariff Aqiel bin Malim, and my matrix number is 15DKA22F1048.
My name is Dennis Nurais Okisha bin Muhammad Ansori. My matrix number is 15DKA22F1017.
And lastly me, my name is Muhammad Aqiel Muhammad Amiruddin. My matrix number is 15DKA 221056 and we are from PSAS.
Okay, so this is the topic that we are presenting, which is first, concrete work at the construction site. Second is reinforced concrete, and the last one is timber. So now we begin to the first slide, which is concrete works at the construction site.
Here are some methods of concrete transportation. In concrete transportation, there are several ways to transport concrete in construction. For example, wheelbarrow, chute, crane skip, mobile crane or tower crane, pump, and truck mixer. For batching plant, a concrete plant, also known as a batch plant, which is a place that produces concrete on a large scale. There are many types of mixer in the plant and also have a variety of parts and accessories.
So for this one, we got wheelbarrow. It's used for small scale construction such as huts, small houses, or small concrete decoration. Human could transport alone without assistance. Right now we got chute. These are used for transporting concrete from ground level to a lower ground. For instance, chute used in construction like footing and underground parking.
Next is mobile crane or tower crane. This method suitable for transporting concrete above the ground level. The next point is used for transport concrete in high altitude building like tall building or tower. And the last one is crane also used for lifting concrete like pre-stressed concrete. After that, pump. Pump are used to transfer concrete where there is no space for concrete mixer truck to enter a narrow construction site. Second is when the mixer truck is far from the construction site, the pump is connected to deliver concrete to the site. And the last one is construction in the forest always use this method to transport concrete.
Next we move on to the next slide, which is mixer truck. First, mixer truck serve to transport fresh concrete from batchy plant or concrete plant. Second, on their way, this truck turns on the drums until delivery. Lastly, this is to prevent the concrete from hardening before reaching the construction site.
Now we were moving on the second topic is reinforced concrete. So this is the picture of batching plant.
Here are some differentiate two types of steel reinforcement in reinforced concrete. Reinforcement bar is a steel bar used as a tension device in a reinforcement concrete structure to strengthen and aid the concrete under tension. So here are some picture of steel bar and fabric reinforcement. So fabric reinforcement are made of steel and come in a raw wire mesh format, can be laid out on the concrete slabs. Fabric reinforcement is hugely versatile product and being used to strengthen the concrete.
So this is the difference between reinforcement bar and fabric reinforcement. So the strength of reinforcement bar is it is high tensile strength and resistant to corrosion. Meanwhile, the strength of fabric reinforcement is versatile and flexible. The price of a reinforcement bar is a high price, and the fabric reinforcement is lower price. The thickness of reinforcement bar is more than 1 foot concrete thickness. Meanwhile, the fabric reinforcement of thickness is 1 foot concrete thickness. And the last one is support of reinforcement bar is stronger and good. Meanwhile, the fabric reinforcement is weak.
The last topic in our presentation is timber.
Okay, so this is the table to comparing wood-based panel products. First is plywood. What is plywood? Plywood is recognized multi-purpose engineered wood-based panel products. And what does it made of? Plywood is made from these sheets of wood glued together. What's the purpose of it? Most most prominent is in its structural application and provides exceptional light and weight strength. How durable it is? Plywood naturally withstands a lot of stress and full weather exposure, but it is commonly used in crates, box, and internal structure. And the last is the cost is cheaper than wood. Second is the glue laminated timber. What is the glue laminated timber? So the glue laminated timber is a type of engineering wood product constituted by layers of dimensional uh, lumber. What does it made of? So the glue laminated timber is glue wood with melamine or polyurethane resin adhesive. And what's the purpose of what's the purpose of it? Glue Glulam use is broad and includes virtually all building types, and it serves primary materials for major load bearing structure. How durable it is? The glulam can produce posts and beams with more added strength than forms that in solid sound lumber alone. And the last is the cost of glue laminated timber. The cost of this glue laminated timber is expensive than steel and concrete.
The third one is fiberboard. Fiberboard is a type of engineering wood product. It is made from the wood fibers such as recycled wood. The purpose of it is hard fiberboard is used as wall slab, door slab, floor, furniture and other decoration instead of wood. How durable it is? The answer is although fiberboard is heavy, it is easy to break and any contact with water should be avoided as it is not resistant to it. The cost of the fiberboard is cheaper than plywood. And the last one is particle board. The particle board or chipboard or low density fiberboard is an engineering wood product manufactured. It is made from wood, chip and synthetic resin and other suitable bonder which is pressed and extruded. The purpose of the particle board is a waste wood product. The main use are for furniture, underlayment and as substrate for countertops. How durable is it? The answer is particle boards are not strong, easily damaged and low durability. And the cost for the particle board is same cost as fiberboard and cheap.
Thanks, that's all from us. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and bye.